When do I start prepping for trial? Hi, my name is Scott Snellings with Snellings Law, and I'm a personal injury lawyer here in North Texas. I get that question a lot from colleagues and from other people. When do you start preparing for trial? And that's the easiest answer of all of the questions that I get. It's not a "it depends" answer. It's the same answer every single time at the initial client interview. Why on earth do we start preparing for trial at that point? Well, that's where we start gathering the information to start putting together our damages model, our liability, our investigation for both liability and damages. What kinds of witnesses are we going to need? What kinds of experts might we potentially need? All of that stuff needs to be planned for and handled up front. I consider all of that trial preparation because the whole reason we do it is to build up the case as strongly as we can from the very beginning. If the case settles at some point before we get to a jury trial, which the vast majority do, great. We've put the case together as well as we know how, and that leads typically to the best results for the clients. So if someone starts telling you that they don't start preparing for trial until a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks before, I would second guess that. If they're doing their job from the beginning, then they start trial prep from the minute they first talk with their client.